Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here in the MPR at Grapevine Elementary School in Vista, California. My third visit of this school year and final one for 2024-2025. Today's focus was on perseverance, the sub-theme being have a growth mindset. When we're talking about a growth mindset, we compare it to a fixed mindset, which we don't want to have. Someone that's kind of just stuck in the mud, not really willing to improve or grow, change, better themselves or others. So the overarching concept is that if we can change our words, then we can change our mindset, right? But just to kind of show you a couple examples, right, that fixed mindset is someone that's going to say, I'll never be as smart as that person, I can't do it, I just give up, I made a mistake, I'm a mistake, I'm not good at this is too hard. Someone on the growth side though, right, they're going to say that everyone is talented in many ways, right? There's no underlying jealousy or hate. You're okay to see others succeed, right? To build them up too. I'm still learning, I'll keep trying. With more practice, it's going to become easier. This may take some time and effort, which is okay. Mistakes help me learn, and I can try a different strategy, right? Always try a different approach. And we understand these ideas and these principles, we can put those into practice, right? Because now we're talking about changing our words. One of them is how we talk to ourselves, right? Creating a healthy habit that we're thinking and focusing on something positive, focusing on what we want more of in our lives. And if we can do that and better ourselves, start to believe in ourselves, start to love ourselves, well, now we can give that to someone else and give that gift to them too, right? Be the light to their heart. We always talk about in every presentation I give, the fact that all of us are true miracles, like the lines on our hand, trace one of mine here, the M stands for miracle, upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And if we're able to shine, our light, believing that, we can really make a difference even at a young age, then that's very, very powerful, right? And no matter what obstacle we face, sometimes those are situations, yes, that are difficult in our lives, but they can also make us stronger. There are opportunities to grow if we let them, take that type of hold in our lives. And so I wear this shirt for this assembly, also my positivity, be your best self one. The words are upside down on purpose. It says, keep your head up. So if you're looking down, feeling sad, feeling down, it's a reminder to always keep our head up, right? To always focus on the positive no matter what. And the students, it was pin drop today. They really took it to heart. They really understood, this idea, this life lesson to always persevere, right? To not give up, to try our hardest, to give the effort. Sometimes the outcome isn't what we want, but as long as we try our hardest, that's really all that matters, right? That's all we can control is our effort and our attitude. So keep focusing on that. Keep having that growth mindset. Keep going, keep persevering, don't quit, and always, always just keep spreading that peace. Thanks for touching my heart. Can't wait to see you all next school year. Until then, though, have a great rest of this one. Great summer break as well. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.